I'm Dr. Sep Agrari. I'm the medical director of Agrari Non-Invasive Center, also known as ENIC. I think choosing a provider and making sure that their credentials, their experience, and the tenure that they've had is very, very important. And I strongly suggest that when you seek a provider, that you vet them, including ours. In my practice, I sometimes tell patients that we're not about price. Sometimes people are off-put by that. We're not. We feel that to provide excellence, safety, quality, from equipment to staffing, you must never ever compromise anything for price. And I think there are places that can offer deals, but you must be very, very vigilant in your research to make sure that such deals do not harbor with them a compromise of safety.
When you're receiving treatment, your provider should always discuss intended results as well as risks involved with the treatment.
Unfortunately, people think that non-invasive modalities such as injectables, neurotoxins such as Botox and other derivatives that we have are easy and risk-free. That's not the case. Many of these procedures harbor with them risks that are unfathomable, from blindness to necrosis of the skin, with recently reported multiple issues of botulism or fake Botox, to transmission of serious diseases such as HIV.
When choosing a provider for you, it's important to be on the lookout for red flags. These red flags can include unsanitary conditions. The treatment areas should always be clean, organized, and follow proper sanitation protocols.
I've always been amazed at the concept of going to a mall for a serious medical procedure that can harbor significant risks such as blindness, such as necrosis of skin, such as transmission of disease. Malls are for shopping and for clothing. I think non-invasive services should be really implemented and provided in a qualified setting where there are multiple layers of safety, multiple people involved, and highest levels of resuscitation if there should ever be need for that.
It's also very important that your provider gets to know you and your skin and your health history in depth before doing any treatments and is very transparent in all their practices. It's also important not to overpromise any results, so be wary of practitioners who make unrealistic claims about results of treatments.
Every day when I come to work and when my staff comes to work, we want to make sure that every aspect of what we do is the highest quality with safety and its core value. I invite you to research where you go, how you do it, what products are you receiving, who your providers are, what their credentials are, what level of safety parameters they have in place, and how they go about dealing with issues that can come about from injectables. Safety is our number one priority, and it always will.